Hey, this is Eddie here at Wunderlich, and today we want to show you a really cool ergonomic part that we offer for the F900XR and the F900R, and we also offer the same part for many other BMW models out there. It's our rear brake lever enlarger. If you're ever riding down the road and it's kind of hard, you got your foot kicked out and you got to immediately hit the brakes, and sometimes it's kind of hard to find. You got to kind of move your boot in to kind of hit the rear brake. This is a great part that you could add to the bike to make your rear brake lever very easy to access at any point in time. It's made out of a beautiful, beautiful machined aluminum. It's all silver anodized, and it has a great texture at the top, kind of like a knurling, so it's very easy to find and it's very easy to engage. So let me just show you how easy it is to install this part. All right, so I have it unpackaged and we have everything kind of laid out. It's gonna be coming with 4 countersunk screws. You're gonna need a T20 for those screws, and then it's gonna have the bracket that actually sandwiches between your brake lever here. You could just see right here, I mean, how beautifully this machine part fits the brake lever. And what's gonna happen is this one's just gonna simply sit right on top of it like that, and then we're gonna bolt it all in. But before we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and put some thread locking fluid that comes supplied in the kit, and I'm gonna put them a little drop in all 4 of the holes of the bracket, just to ensure it doesn't come off while riding. Don't need a lot, just enough to coat the threads. Okay, so go ahead and put that on there. Get this all lined up. So just one end will kind of hold it all in place. Then we can go and drop the rest in. So something like this, you just want to make sure that you got an even gap all the way around, so it really pinches the brake lever evenly. So you just slowly go around. So you don't need a lot of torque on these, and that's why I put the thread locking fluid, so they don't back out. All right, there you go. That's how easy it is to install. This is just one of our products that we offer in our ergonomic line for the F900XR. And if you'd like any additional information on the part in this video or any other parts you see, please see a link in the description below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you on the road.